Hey, what's up everyone? So welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna show you 5 free applications for Android that in my opinion everyone should have, and I think everyone should have because how they are free, you don't pay nothing for them, and they are quite handy for everyday use. So here are the applications: SwiftKey Keyboard, GPS Navigator, Waze, Microsoft Word, and AirDroid. I did not select which one is better or like first place, fifth place. I will get them randomly, but these 5 are the ones that I use mostly. So yeah, let's check them out. So the first one in our list is SwiftKey Keyboard, which I really like this keyboard, but it's not my favorite keyboard for Android. But how it's a free keyboard, it has some really nice features, and here you can choose themes for keyboard if you want. But as you see there, it's a bit laggy, but that's lag from the app itself, not from the phone. Also you can choose different languages as you wish, and also don't forget to choose the keyboard as your main keyboard if you want to use it. I already did that, and when you go in browsing or Play Store, you just the keyboard, it will appear itself, and then you can use this Swift, which this keyboard come with this feature first, but now most of the keyboard has this feature, so it's not only this keyboard that has this one. But what I like more about this keyboard is if you want to open the settings, you just press on that icon and it opens the most settings of the keyboard, which you can choose here a theme of the keyboard. You don't need to minimize everything and go into keyboard settings. You just press this icon and it will open all the settings. Also you can see here your account, which as you can see here your account, which I just logged in with Facebook and nothing else. Also you can minimize if you need and stuff like that. So most of the settings are here, which is I like this kind of apps. Now, speaking on GPS applications, I like most of this application because, as you saw there, it has 2 variants, the free version and also the paid version. But with the free version you can do also many things, which more important is you don't need internet to use this application. Yes, you only need internet to download the maps, but as you can see here, I can choose the maps I want. For example, if I choose everything, it will be many gigabytes to download, but I can choose only, for example, only Germany for example now, and it will download only Germany map. And then you can also, after that, you can also see what you downloaded, or if you need to download something else, for example, another language or another country and stuff like that, which is really cool. And after you download it, you don't need the internet. I will just turn off Wi-Fi so you can see. You go into map, and it also shows when you zoom out. It also shows with these greens. It shows that you have this map downloaded, this country downloaded, but the rest, as you see, there is no green, so it means I don't have the other countries downloaded. But the cool thing is when you zoom in, the map is really detailed for an offline map. It is really detailed. As you can see, it shows there bars, parking slots and stuff like that, which it's really cool from a offline map to show so much details. So right now I'm not using internet. I'm just pressing here a random street just to show you a quick navigation, but it works without internet very good, and I tested it really many times, and it's my favorite like offline GPS map. But if you have internet and you need to use maps, I would really recommend to use Waze, as this app needs internet to be used. But more cool about this application is, as you see there, 53 reports, which every user that uses this app, if for example he encounters an accident on the street or police or anything else, he can, as I press here, you can add police on that street, for example, or on the location you are. So you can add the police visible or hidden police, or radar, or camera. As you can see there, red light, you can add the red light, and that's really cool. And there are many users, and you see you see here the streets that this street I cannot use. So with this map I already know that if I go on that street it will be blocked, so I can't turn around or get another street, which for an online GPS application I would recommend this one because it is really interactive, and you see here 2.7 kilometers traffic and also accident shows, and yeah, this is really cool. Now this application is the application that I most use because how it's worked, I really need many times to type something, and when I record the video and I make voiceovers, I write in Word what I want to speak, and then I record with voice, which I will show you. I will open a document, but as you can see, you can open documents from OneDrive. I will open from OneDrive, but you can open documents from your phone, from OneDrive, from SD cards, or whatever you have, and you can easily edit documents. You can edit here, and you also, after that, you also save very easily. So Word is like my most used application on Android, on Windows Phone, or on desktop, because I really need Word very much. So I use it also very much, and it's really simple to use, and you just save, and you can save in OneDrive or in internal storage. So that's really cool. And for number one, I don't really use this application like many times, but it's like a must application if you don't want to transfer files with an USB cable. So with this application you can transfer files from your PC to your phone, or from tablet to your phone through wireless, and the phone and the PC don't need to be both on the same wireless. For example, my PC is connected to through cable, and my phone is connected through Wi-Fi, so they are not on the same wireless connection. And more easily to use this application, as you can see, I just go into the website there, and my phone I take out the QR code and just scan the QR code on the desktop, and it connects automatically. But you have to have an account. I logged in with a Facebook account on the phone. So once you log in with the Facebook account on the phone, it will log in automatically. And now from the browser, I can do pretty much everything or see everything that's on my phone, documents, messaging, or even call people through this web browser. And I can also copy files to my phone or delete files from my phone. Here I'm copying a file to my phone, and I will check if the file come into my phone, which this application is a must, and how it's a free, but is a must if you don't want to use, for example, cable to copy stuff to your phone. But if you don't like this kind of applications, then yeah, it's not a must, but in my opinion it's a must if you don't like to use cables to transfer files to your phone. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I see you on the next one.